In this lesson, we will connect our login user interface to the backend API. By the end of this lesson, your login button will validate credentials and navigate to the main dashboard. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to connect UI controls to backend services, handle asynchronous API calls, validate login responses, and navigate securely to the next page. When the user clicks the login button, this event handler is triggered. We collect the username and password directly from the entry controls. This method is marked as async because it makes a network call to the backend server. We must use asynchronous programming to avoid freezing the UI. Here, we create an instance of API service and call the getLoginDetails method. The await keyword ensures that the app waits for the server response without blocking the UI. We check whether the result is not null and contains data. This prevents runtime errors and ensures safe handling of API responses. The backend server determines whether the login is successful. If the message equals success, we proceed to the dashboard. After successful login, we extract important user information such as login name and distributed ID. These values will be used throughout the application. Once login is validated, we navigate to the main DB page and pass the login name to personalize the experience. If login fails, we display an alert to inform the user. Always provide feedback instead of failing silently. This is the complete login workflow in a real business application, from user input to backend validation to navigation. In real production apps, we would also add loading indicators, error handling, and network validation. We will enhance this in the next lesson. To reinforce your understanding, test both valid and invalid credentials and observe the flow. In this lesson, we successfully connected our UI to the backend API and implemented a fully functional login system.